That's a Shoe-billed Stork. Right now he's not.
He said, no, let it ride.
He's not moving too much. But we are lucky to see him because they got too little around the world. And we got one in Florida. Yeah. He's cleaning himself, my love. No. He said he's not chicken. He's a shoe bird. And he really looks like his hair looks like shoes. Y este es un hermoso pajarraco africano. Le llaman ¿Guamaira?
He's saying, y'all can't come up with a better name than that.
Ya,
Native humans.
le llaman zapato de pico, algo así. Y este es de África. Viene este pajarraco de África.
Getting a little stuck. What?
Look at his eyes, they're very pretty.
Can't see his eyes from here, woman.
¿Guamaira?
I can't see his eyes from here. You got a zoom in camera. How you?
Ah.
Well, come here.
Finally! The dinosaur bird is coming.
It's all my exes. That's it.
Ah, he just muy little. Come in this way, baby. Oh, he looks very strong, very skinny.
He said, I just made 4 steps. How many do you want?